with a bow tie. I don't need a red suit wearing no guy. If it's a price tag hanging on a white jack, y'all can take the keys. Cause I got peace, I got love, and it comes from up above. Getting more stuff ain't gon' make me feel enough. So I don't want a box under the tree. I'm not looking for a card or any money, cause today is a gift and that's all I need. I guess that's why they call it the present. Hey, I hope you have a very, very Merry Christmas. I hope you get all of the things that's on your wish list. And though the seasons always come and go and change, our love for Jesus always remains. Hey, bright lights on a Christmas tree, Louis V bag with a shopping spree. Feels good to you for about a week, but then it fades away. But not this peace, not this love, when it comes from up above. Praise the Lord because He tells us we're enough.
Ano ba ang Pasko para sa'yo? Regalo ba? Pera? Pagkain? Tuwing Pasko, lahat ng natatanggap mo may katapusan. Yung regalo, pinagsasawaan. Yung pera, nagagastos. Pagkain, nauubos. Pero kung hindi ikaw nakatanggap, kung ikaw ang nagbigay, yan ang nagtatagal habang buhay. Yung kagustuhan natin na magbigay ng kasiyahan, ng serbisyo, yan ang pinakamagandang matanggap na regalo. Kasi yan yung regalong alam mo na hindi galing sa tao.